Holiday season is here, Santa Claus knocking the door, so I'm here with top essential but easy to do Christmas crafting ideas. And today's video is about how I made this cute little pair of snowman out of thermocol balls. These thermocol balls are very easily available in local market. For making these hats, I have used cardboard and bottle caps. I have used this white color socks in which I inserted the thermocol ball to make this big sized snowman. For the small one, I directly glued the balls together without using the socks. So you're watching Sundays with Subhasree and I welcome you to my channel and to this video. I upload DIY and home decor videos every Sunday, so if you're first time here, please consider subscribing my channel, and for the next 5 days I'll be uploading all the 5 items I have crafted for this year's Christmas back to back. So please don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification of all my new videos. So now let's start with today's video of snowman making. First of all, let's make the hat. For this, I'm cutting a circle out of the foam sheet. I will be pasting this circular foam sheet on this cap. This is a cap of an empty Camel's watercolor paint bottle. This is a small circle cut out of cardboard of diameter 5 cm with an inner circle which I will cut off like this. And I'll cover this with a white satin ribbon. So the hat is ready and the inner hole of the hat fits well with the snowman's head. I have made another similar one without the hole inside. Like this. Okay, so now let's make the mini snowman first. For this, I have inserted the snowballs or the thermocol balls in a bamboo stick like this. And that's it, this mini snowman is ready. Now I'll just put in the small twigs to make its hand. Okay, now let's make this big brother. For this, I have taken a white socks and 3 thermocol balls of 3 different sizes. First, I'll insert the bigger ball in the socks like this and stitch this part. We can use a rubber band also instead of stitching this. Now let's cut off this extra part and use this Christmas ribbon to make the muffler. I have bought this ribbon from Amazon. I'll try to give the Amazon product link in the description box below so that you can pick this beautiful ribbon for the project. I have used a small cap of a bottle to make the base of this snowman. And see how nicely it sits on the cap. So this rocking snowman is ready. This is a perfect Christmas decor, an ideal winter holiday school craft. So with this is Subhasree signing off for today. We'll see you tomorrow with the next Christmas DIY item. So bye bye for now and thanks for watching this video.